Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are well. Today I am here with my another tutorial. This tutorial is on how to open any website in desktop version with mobile browser. To do this, at first I need to open the mobile browser. There are many mobile browsers for web browsing, but we can open any website in desktop version just by using the Google Chrome browser. So let's open the Chrome browser. Here is the Chrome browser. I'm tapping on it and the browser is opened. Suppose I am going to a news website, which is BD News 24, BD News. Yes, I typed the URL in the URL bar and I am going to it. Here is the BD News 24 website, which has been opened in the browser tab. We can see the website has been opened in mobile version by default. But now I want to open this in desktop version. It's very simple. With Chrome you can do it. Just go to the navigation menu, scroll, and you can see there is an option named desktop site. Just tap on it. I tapped on it and let's see what happened. Yes, the website has been opened in the desktop version. By this way, you can open any website in desktop version in your mobile browsers. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.